Hello everyone. So today we are going to draw on a topic on mixed media art. Okay. So we are going to do with acrylic color. But one thing, this is called mixed media art, but I call it as fun. Okay, fun drawing, because we are going to use our finger. Okay, if you want you can use your brush. Okay, but I will use my finger. One thing, you have to keep one cloth with you. Okay, so that you can clean your hand. Okay, after doing, clean your hand. Say I'm just taking a little bit of color. Okay, yellow color. So here I'm just doing yellow color. You can take little bit of water and you can do it. Okay, just doing over here like this. Okay, some over here. Okay, wherever you want you can do it. Okay, it's your wish. So I will take the orange color. Okay, I'm just taking the orange color and taking little bit of water. See, wherever I want I will do it. It's easy to do with brush, but it's fun to do with finger. Okay, so it's totally your wish. Okay, wherever you want you can do, and keep one cloth with you so that you can clean your finger also. Okay, so make your copy colorful. Okay, make your page colorful. Very easy to do it. And see, now I will change the colors. I will take the red color little bit. Okay, here, anywhere, whatever you want you can do it. Okay, I'm just taking little bit of water to spread it easily so that I can spread it. Okay, wherever you want, it's very simple. Again I will take a little bit of yellow color. Okay, so I can do it over here. One thing, be careful, don't make your color dirty. Okay, inside just take from different finger so that your color don't get dirty. Okay, this thing you have to be careful. Like I will take the orange color, because you are going to do different color now. After this means different drawing, you need the color, so don't make your color dirty, only make your page dirty. Okay, so now I'm going to take the deep blue. Okay, I'm just going to do the deep blue here. And I'm going to use the green color, deep green like this. Be careful. Okay, slowly, and don't make your color dirty, just keep in mind. So here I will take the I will remove this palette, so I don't need. I will take the light green. Okay, just going to do the light green over here. Wash my hand, so my hand get dirty now, so I'll wash my hand. Now I will wipe with any cloth. Okay, any dirty cloth you can take, and you can clean your hand first, then again you can start your beautiful drawing. See, take the light blue, just do it over here. No need to copy my one. Okay, on your own imagination you can do it. Okay, it's your wish, totally your wish. Totally your wish. Okay, then I have little bit na sap green. Okay, so I will take the sap green. I will do the sap green over here like this. Okay, just I'm taking the sap green. Then again I'm going to take the this lemon yellow. I will do the lemon yellow over here like this. See, like you can play like a tabla. See, just with the two finger I'm just taking. Okay, and then I will play like a tabla. Interesting, no? Very easy and simple, right? So I will take little bit of brown color. Okay, any brown you can take. Then over here I'm going to take again a blue color, any blue color. Here also I will use some blue color. Okay. The easiest drawing ever. Okay. So again I will wash my hand. Okay, first I will wash my hand and then I will start doing the coloring. It's very easy and simple drawing, right? So little bit yellow I will use so that it look good, means medium yellow and red color. So I'm just taking the yellow color and wherever I feel like I'm just doing. Okay. One thing, your hand will also get dirty, na? In this drawing you need some time to dry. Okay, like it's a color, na? If you want without drying also you can do the next color, means the drawing. It's just we are doing the background with this. Okay. See, I'm just using the full finger to make some design. So it's your wish, whatever you want you can do it. Okay. Just I use deep green. Okay. And use little bit of color, don't use too much of color. Okay, otherwise will waste your colors. So the drawing is ready, means the background is ready. Okay, so I'm going to use means different color, like any darkest color. Okay, so what is the darkest color, do you know? Yeah, black is the darkest color. So with the black we can do whatever drawing we want. So for that now you can take brush number, you can use your finger or you can take your brush number, brush 5, okay, 5, 4, 3, okay, whatever you want you can take it. So I will take the black color now. So I will close one by one bit. Let me just close it little bit. So you can tell, means you can call this as a printing drawing, you can tell, because we have done thumb. With the thumb only we have completed drawing, na? Call it like that also. So I'm just closing it slowly, so it doesn't get dry, okay? Otherwise it will get dry, na? Okay, see, now I'm just going to do the black color first with the brush, okay? I'm just taking the brush and water, add little bit of water so that you can run it smoothly. Take the black cap, okay? So when it dry, then you try, okay? After it's dry, then you try it. See, just shape like this, okay? We are going to draw one tree, okay? So many times we have done, but this is a very interesting and easy drawing ever we are doing, right? It's so easy. With the black color, just doing the shape like this, okay? Anyhow you can draw it, your wish. Now the trunk we have done. Now I'm going to draw the branches, okay? Use only black color to do it, okay? Or if it's dry, then you can do with white color also after drying, but I have not taking time to dry it, so I'm just doing with black color. It's totally your wish, okay? You can do whatever you want. Just focus on your enjoyment, okay? First enjoy, then slow. This portion only it's hard, so just see. Suppose we have done a trunk, okay? From wherever you want, just draw the branches, okay? Suppose here, suppose I want over from here I want, from here I want, like from here I want. I will make it double again. I will make it from here, well, from wherever you want. Just you have to draw the branches. Very simple, okay? So it's a mixed media art, or you can tell it as a modern art, or you can tell as a canvas drawing, or you can tell as that, which I call that is game, okay? We enjoy with this drawing. So it's your wish, whatever you want you can call it as. But I love to draw this kind of drawing. It's very easy, simple, and it's good looking also. You know, this kind of drawing means many exhibition this showed this kind of drawing in many, it's a higher price. So you can draw this kind of drawing. It's very easy and simple. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so after this, see, I'm going to, after this what you have to do now, see, after this, see a circle, okay, then a line, okay, circle, line, then from here draw the line like this, okay, then make a square type, okay, make a square type and draw the skirt, it's triangle shape, then two leg, then draw the hand like this. It's very easy, simple drawing. Okay, so your almost art is ready. And now see, I'm going to do the most means one more thing that it will make my drawing more beautiful and attractive. That is, I'm going to use the white color. So I'm just taking the white color now. Okay, be careful. I will use my I will use the pencil. Okay, I will use the pencil, the back portion. Okay, I will use the pencil back portion. This one will be better. Yeah, this one will be better. See, I'm going to use this one, white. See, I'm just taking the white. Okay, like this. I'm just going to do the dots. Okay, got it? It's very simple. And be careful, don't make your white color dirty. Like a stamp. Okay, dot 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 dot, wherever you want you can give. It's very easy and simple drawing. See, I'm just using the back side of the pencil. Okay, okay. So I just given some dots with the pencil. Okay, and see, here sidewise some colors are there, so I will take it with the finger and I will try to do the dots. Okay, see, don't do with finger because the finger is very big now, so you will get a big circle. Okay, so be careful, don't do with finger, try to use pencil. Okay, it will be easy for you to do it. So now your drawing is finished. Okay, so your fun drawing is ready to draw. Very easy now, simple. It's very simple drawing. So thank you.